Okay, here is my unit plan / lesson plan template that I typically use with Google Sheets. First page is pretty self-explanatory, so I will skip it. When I start planning, I find, of course, it's easier for me to use everything on one sheet so I can see what I'm doing. So I typically list my lesson titles here. So once I type a lesson title, it will automatically go into the lesson plans down below. So I've already typed in lesson 1, so let's go to lesson 2, and I will type in the title, Testing Google Sheets. And when I hit enter, the title for this lesson should appear over here. There it is. Then I can type in my expectations into this box, expectation 1.1, whatever it is, and it will show up in my expectations box in the lesson plan. So this is avoiding any repetition, copying and pasting, so the formulas are there. Same thing with my assessment 4 as enough learning. I can simply type it into this box and it will appear in my assessment part in my lesson plan. So I just like to see it all in one space here, and then of course when it comes time to doing the lesson plan, I have all of the details within the preparation area or the lesson plan box here. Okay, so that's kind of like the basic of my unit plan, lesson plan templates. I hope that helps you. I also have the success criteria. It's also linked, so when I type something here, it will show up in the lesson plan as well. Took a little bit of time to figure out, but it works, it's good, and I hope it helps you. If you need to add different rows or if you need to add more lessons, you can just insert a row below, and then you'll have to kind of formulate, because you'll see up here I have my different formulas. So you kind of just look at the one from lesson 9 or whatever and pass it to lesson 10. Hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.